All right, guys, we're gonna dedicate this test drive video to Aiden. He came up here to check us out. Where did y'all come from? Alabama. You gonna see yourself on TV, guy?
Wave, Aiden.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. If you haven't checked out our videos before, go ahead and check out this YouTube page. There's about 1,200 videos. You can also check out maplemotors.com. See all of our inventory that we get in every week. We're getting ready to update this Monday. Today we're going for a test drive in a 1968 Nova with a 427. This is a 4-speed car. A little bit of a built motor. It's mildly built, cammed up. I know y'all been waiting on it. A lot of people have been asking about this car. I'll tell you what we've done. All we did was a little bit of interior work. We're just waiting on it to get back before we listed it. When I get back from this test drive, we're gonna be going around this car, pointing out any kind of flaws that I can find. That way you know exactly what you're buying when you get here. If you have any other questions, hit up our website, give us a call, 615-822-4444. All right, guys. It's about that time. Let's go for a test drive. We're gonna look around the interior before we take off. You can see the bottom of this door panel. The door panel needs to be replaced. This car's gonna need some minor interior work. The dash pad's in good shape, but there is a hole right here in the vent. You see the headliner. It's not in great shape. The seats are. That's what we did. We just replaced the back seat and the front seat because the old ones were in bad shape. And now they're nice and clean in here. We usually don't do any kind of work to a car, but if it don't have something to sit on, you got to. Go ahead and place your bets you think the horn works. We're gonna start this up. Starts up nice and easy. The brake light is on, but I believe it's just the sensor connected to your emergency brake. This is a kill switch. You can cut it off, leave it off. It's almost like a safety so that nobody can quickly steal your car. It cuts the ignition off. All right, did you place your bets on the horn? Horn does not work. Let's try the wipers. They're not working either. You'll have to have that replaced. All right, guys. Let's take off down the road. We got y'all set up here. My boy Hammer came up. He wanted to go on some more test drive videos with us today, so we're gonna take him along. I didn't see a problem in it. All right, we're gonna head down the road. Any issues that I see with this car, I will let you know. Our water temperature is coming up right now. It's about 150 and rising. Car is still warming up. Oil pressure's around 50, and it is working. It's jumping up as soon as I hit the throttle. Let's take off down the road. Like I said, any issues I see, I will let you know. Just give him a love tap. Pow! He's burned out. I'm gonna have to put my big sweaty head in front of the camera because I can't see if there's a car coming or not. There's a lot of traffic parked out in front of our car lot here. And I got this window up. It's like 100 here in Tennessee. I'm exaggerating. It's like 98. To it. The suspension's not the greatest. We hit a bump back there and I heard the back end kind of slam down a little bit. That's just the suspension on the rear. This was definitely got some pull behind it though. It feels good. Before we get too close to some people, I'm gonna go ahead and hit the brake to try them out. They feel pretty good. Our speedometer's not coming up on this one. See, the suspension on it's just not great. It's gonna need to be replaced. Letting go of the steering wheel. We are slightly pulling to the left. It does have a little bit of a left draw there. A little bit of slack in the steering as well. That might have to have something to do with the steering box. Go ahead and hit our turn signals. They're not popping up on the dash. I will check on the outside of the car. We offer a spreadsheet going over tail lights, headlights, turn signals, and any gauges that are working or not in the car. Clutch feels pretty good. It's letting out about halfway, and it's going into all gears perfectly. Front tire rubbed a little bit on that turn. Car has been lowered down a little bit with some oversized wheels and tires. I'm gonna pull in this parking lot, get some overhead drive-by shots. You can check out all the gear that I have below, and you can purchase them through my Amazon. It'll help me out, and it'll give you the exact gear that I have to make these videos. All right, guys, we'll get these shots. Got y'all up on the virtual cam here. Hopefully y'all can see pretty well. Try to get the shifter and stuff in the picture. Go ahead, try reverse out here. One of my detail guys always checks the fluids, and he always overfills the radiator with antifreeze, and there's no overflow bucket on this car, if y'all noticed. So if you overflow the radiator, it gets kind of hot, the overflow has nowhere to go, it'll drip out on the ground. You'll see that sometimes in my videos. I don't know why he always tops the radiator all the way off. I tell him that every time. And we do have overflow buckets we normally add to cars. If I was back there, it'd be done. Let's just put it that way. Let's keep rolling. This car shifts awesome. It actually runs and drives great. Only thing I'd add to it is a better suspension. Maybe fix the little stuff on the inside here, and you'll have you a nice car. Once we get back to the car lot, I'm gonna do a walk around inspection, point out any kind of flaws on the outside, inside, open the trunk, give you some undercarriage shots. Be looking for that. Our temperature gauge is not reading correctly. It still says 150 degrees. These engines, these big blocks, they're always gonna be at 180 to 200, and that thing's not reading right. Oil pressure gauge is still reading at 50. I noticed the turn signals are working. I think one of them was out from what my buddy Hammer said. And guys, if you haven't noticed at the beginning of the video, the guy doing the wheelie, that's him. Follow him on Instagram. What's your Instagram name?
HammerBear50.
HammerBear50. Yep. Well, HammerBear50, your weight's making me rub over here. Our front tire's rubbing. There's a speed bump up here in the middle of the road we're gonna hit. Kind of show you the suspension. It's a little bumpy. Look at Hammer. See him bounce there? But like I said, we would get back to the lot. We're gonna be running over the rest of this car. To me, it runs and drives awesome. It's fun, it's fast. We'll give it one more go down this stretch here and pull back into the lot. We're gonna make another pass right in front of the lot and call it a good one. All right, guys. So how about he put rims on a U-Haul truck? That front wheel's rubbing pretty good now. It's just getting that edge and making it so loud. I bet you can't even tell it's rubbed on there though with the tire. We're gonna get back up here and get some outside shots. Hope y'all had fun. All right, guys, just got back to the lot, getting ready to do a walk around video on this car. Definitely check out my website, maplemotors.com. Close to 100 detailed pictures, financing options, and shipping. Yes, we could ship these cars all over the country. Getting ready to do a walk around video. Be sure to check that out. You can click the last 30 seconds of this video down in the bottom right corner and get to it easily. Hit that subscribe button. I post videos every single day. You can also hit the notification and it'll let you know when I do post them. I thank y'all for watching. It helps us out greatly if you share, so please do so. And y'all have a good one, guys. Thanks again.